What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to do a Clickbank for Beginners style video, show you how to make money, easily make money using Clickbank. Alright? So if you are not making a lot of money, or if you've never made any money using clickbank.com, I'm going to show you how I do it and how you should as well. So top of the video, I'll show you right now how we can get started. So here we are on clickbank.com. Obviously, yes, we're going to use Clickbank. I want to show you what most people do, all right? Here's what most people do, and this is what I do not want you to do, okay? Most people go to YouTube or put up a website, and they directly send all their traffic to their affiliate product over on Clickbank, and they're trying to make money, right? And that works, and you can make a little bit of money, but if you want to make any significant amount of money, you want to make $200, $500, $1,000 a day, this right here is not going to do it. Don't do that. Here is what you should be doing. I'm going to explain it step by step in just a second. Okay? You need to go over on YouTube or from your website. You need to promote an email list. Okay? And when I say email list, I'm going to give you a whole template that you can have. Okay? But when I say promote email list, I'm talking about give people more free advice, more free guides, or whatever it is, something to help them, a tool, a study guide, a template, whatever they need to get them to that next step. Okay? So you promote that email list. So you build your email list, and then you can send emails every single day, every 2 days, once a week, once a month, once a year, whatever you need to do, and promote your website and your YouTube channel. From there, you will have more links. There will be a specific video, a specific article with just a bunch of links to that affiliate product you're highly recommending. Okay? So it's going to be more free content, but at the same time, it's going to be more free content plus links that you own, sending people to your affiliate product. Here's how it works. And yes, I'm going to give you a free template. You can use it. And I'm also going to show you how you can get Clickfunnels. Okay? If you've ever heard of Clickfunnels, Clickfunnels is a great software, something that I use, and it's something you can use as well. I'm going to show you how you can get it for only $19 a month, all right? So coming down from $97 a month all the way to $19, I'm going to show you how to do that. So here's what we do first. First thing we do is we want to choose a category, a niche, inside of Clickbank, okay? So let's pick one. I'm not going to go to e-business and internet marketing. I'm not going to do that, okay? Because that is one of the harder ones to actually make any money off. I'm going to go to, let's go to parenting and families, because it's going to kind of tie into what I'm talking about in just a second. I'm going to talk about children learning to read, okay? That's the one I want to promote. Here's why. All right, so here I am on YouTube. Here's why I'm going to choose children learning to read, okay? This one right here, children learning reading, okay? Looks like it's a decent one. The gravity score, 32, not bad. I come over here to YouTube. How to teach kids to read, okay? Right there, how to teach kids to read, 6,600 searches a month. Teach my son how to read. Okay, there's another one, teach my kid how to read. Okay, let's say I click on this. Teach my son how to read. It has a decent amount of search volume, very low competition, which means it's good. This right here is from TubeBuddy. If you want to get TubeBuddy, I'll put a link to that down in the description box below. It will really help you out. Ways to teach kids to read. Okay, ways to teach kids to read. Another one, decent amount of competition, or very little, and decent amount of search volume. Okay, very good, 75 out of 100. Okay, that'd be another good one. Those would be keywords I'd go after. I'd create videos for it, and just like you can see here, I'd create a video and I'd send people to my email list, which would look something like this. Okay, so here's the cool part. This is what I'm going to give you, okay? There's a link down below. You can get this exact same funnel, okay? And here's what's inside this funnel. It's just the opt-in page, and it's just a miscellaneous guide. That's all it is, okay? And so you can get this. It only costs you $19 a month, and you can get more if you want more. But anyway, what the nice thing is here is you get this free guide, okay? And you can customize this any way you want to, but you can come here, and if you click on this button here or this button here, it sends them to an affiliate product that's over on Max Bounty, where I'd make money, okay? You're obviously going to change the links, you're going to change the picture, you're going to change all this stuff. But what we're doing here is we're promoting this free ratings guide. And obviously you're going to change it up, do whatever you want with it. You can customize it any way that you want to using ClickFunnels. And I'm going to show you in just a second how to get this for only $19 a month, how you can access ClickFunnels, okay? So you're going to get this. You can customize it any way you want to. You can change this. You can change the colors. You can do whatever. Also, you can change the links. All these are links to Amazon. You can see right here, Amazon reviews. These go to Amazon's website, where if somebody goes and buys a product on Amazon 24 hours after clicking on your link on any of these, you make the commission. So you're not only making money from hopefully the email list and sending people to an affiliate product, you're also making money by people landing on this page, clicking on the links, and buying the Pampers, the Loves, the Huggies, or the books, okay? And again, you can change this up any way that you want to. So if I'm teaching people how to, teaching kids how to read, and I'm doing videos on that over here on YouTube, and then from the YouTube video, I'm sending people to the email list, to that landing page, then what I do is I send people from my email list, and here is the cool part again, okay, is we're going to be using something called MailChimp. Now, here's what I want you to understand. All you affiliate, gurus, nuts, experts out there. Yes, MailChimp hates, let me repeat this, okay? Let me repeat it again. MailChimp, the software I'm showing you right now, they absolutely hate affiliate marketers. They do not accept anybody that's promoting affiliate products as somebody that uses their software. But this is why I'm showing you this method, okay? Because we don't send people from here, say, hey, go buy this product. What we're doing is we're building the brand. We're building our network. We're building our, the followers, our influence on our website, plus over on YouTube. So from the MailChimp standpoint, they have no clue that we're promoting an affiliate product. They just think we're building our email list and we're promoting free content on our website and on our YouTube channel. So you get out of the whole, we're suspending your account because you're promoting affiliate products. No, you're not promoting affiliate products. You don't come here in here and say, hey, go buy my product, go buy this product. I highly recommend this. You're just saying, I just wrote a new article on my website. You should really check it out. It's showing you how to teach your kid how to read. Okay, step-by-step guide. Go check it out. Absolutely free. Okay, a lot of people are going to read it, and if they want more information and they possibly want to buy that product on amazing reading program parents love, then they will click on it, they will buy it, but they'll do it from your website or your YouTube channel as opposed to straight from the email list, which would get your MailChimp account shut down. All right, so, and the nice thing is it's free. Okay, free forever, only up to 12,000 emails per month, which I highly doubt you're gonna surpass that if you're starting out, because obviously this is a ClickFunnels, Clickbank for Beginners style video. So obviously you're new, you probably have 0 subscribers. That means you can start here, and maybe in a month, 2 months, 3 months down the road, you can upgrade to something a little bit better than MailChimp, like ConvertKit. That's the one I use, absolutely love it, but it is one of the more expensive options on the market today. So you get up to 2,000 subscribers, 12,000 emails per month, and it's absolutely free, okay? And you can use it as long as you're doing this method right here, as opposed to email lists directly to the affiliate product. If you have questions on that, let me know. But yes, this does work. I know it works because I've tested it many times and it does work. Just don't go out there and promote different affiliate products, different things like that, or the make money online niche, because you will get shut down. All right. So now let me show you how you can get ClickFunnels, okay, and how you can get this for only $19 a month, and you can customize it any way that you want to. All right. So I actually opened this up in a incognito window. We're gonna do here we go. Choose a password. Our password's gonna be hello 456372 something, I don't know. Okay, and start your free trial. Okay, there we go. Start your free trial. Click on that. Now here we go. All right. So what I said is I'm going to show you how to get this for only $19 a month. That is this one right here. It's called the Limited Shared Funnels Only Plan. Here's what you need to know about this. You can only get shared funnels and a limit of 3 funnels that have been shared with you. Okay? If you need additional funnels and the one that I just gave you is not going to work, let me know. I'll send you another funnel. Okay? Send you a different one, something completely different. Now, once you start making money, you're making $100, $200, $500 a month, then I'd recommend you upgrade to the $97 a month plan, because you get more funnels. Then you get like 20 funnels or something like that. You get a bunch of different pages. You get like 3 customizable URLs. You get all that stuff, okay? But you don't need that right now. You can start for only $19 a month, and you can get exactly what I'm showing you. You can get this exact funnel, okay? I'm giving it to you. It's already made. The link down below, you have to click on that in order to get this funnel and to get the $19 a month plan. Okay, if you don't click on that, you won't get it. Okay, but once you do that, you have this one funnel, and then you still have 2 additional funnels that you can get shared with you later on. All right. So let me explain this one more time, because it's actually pretty simple. The thing that so many people struggle with, and the thing that I see most people fail at, is they're sending all their traffic to that affiliate product. They never capture their email, and when they never capture their email, usually what happens is they can never promote something else. They can never talk about, this or that, or they can never promote their new YouTube video, or their new article on their website, or their new social media account. They can't do any of that stuff because they never captured their email or some type of contact here. That's what we're doing. Essentially, we're putting this in the middle. Okay? So once we send people from YouTube, and again, I showed you, and I'll give you you can get TubeBuddy absolutely free. It's free to get, okay? I'll put that would be the first or second link down in the description box below. Go get it. It's free. You'll love it. I absolutely love it. Okay? You send people from YouTube, and you send them directly to your email list. And even here, in my video, I talk about this is inside the description box, and I point down below so that okay, it's down below. Go check it out. That's all you have to do. Okay? So, once you promote that email list, obviously you got to write the emails, and you set it up as an autoresponder, and you do all that through MailChimp. Okay? If you need help with that, let me know. But again, it is very simple. Okay? You do that, and then by giving them more free content, more educational content, something else for them to look at or watch here, they're going to be more inclined to buy that affiliate product because you're recommending it, because they saw you here. They learned something from you, so they opted in the email. There's your second point of contact. Okay, they saw 4 emails from you. There's 6 different things that they've seen from you at this point. Okay, you send them to your next website. There is 7 contact points, okay, that you've been in front of them 7 different times. And then here you mention the product, maybe 4 or 5 different links inside a 2,000-word article full of just information, content, engaging, educational, whatever it is. So now you've been in front of them 8 different times. Chances are they're gonna buy. If they don't, you still have their email address. You send them more emails, and at some point they will eventually buy. They will watch another video, they'll comment, they'll recommend something, they'll tell their friend, they'll share it with their friends and family on Facebook. But at some point, this email subscriber, maybe potential YouTube subscriber, maybe potential Instagram follower, Facebook friend, whatever they are, they will benefit, or you will benefit from them just following you at some point. They don't have to buy every single time, but they will benefit. You will benefit from what they do, what they read, what they follow, the interaction that they have with you and your free content. All right. So again, this was a more ClickBank for beginners style video. I wanted to kind of give you guys the information you need to make that decision. Okay. Do I use ClickBank? Am I doing it correctly? Should I create a website? Should I create a free Facebook group? Should I create an email list or a YouTube channel? Or should I go all on Instagram? What should I do? I'm showing you the step-by-step thing that I do. Okay. I create YouTube channels, and I also create websites for it. But the main thing I'm doing is I'm promoting email lists. I'm building that email list, okay, up to a few hundred subscribers, up to a few thousand, whatever it is. and then I promote different products. Okay, if you want to be consistent with Clickbank, because I've made a lot of money, there's been days where I've made, a few $1,000s on Clickbank. Those are few and far between when I'm doing strictly from a website or a YouTube channel straight to that affiliate product, but it has happened. It's very rare though. You will get more consistent results if you're using emails, you're using autoresponders, you're using a lot of free content, you're educating people, you're showing them different methods, and you're not just shoving one product down their throat. Alright? So if you need more information on how to make money through affiliate marketing with Clickbank, with other affiliate networks, I do have a course. You can go check it out. It'll be like the 3rd or 4th link down in the description box below. Yes, you do get the course plus my mentorship. So I'm not just throwing you out there on an island. I will help you out. Alright? So if you guys need anything else, let me know. Ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video on affiliate marketing, click that thumbs up button. Just shows me that you did enjoy this video, and I'll create more videos on this as well. Alright? Again, click that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.